It's done. I've chosen. Not really. Because you guys chose a bit. And this one chose a bit too. We're picking up the Enfield. It's ours. Come on!
Hello. Hi.
Hey, right? So this is the one?
Yeah.
You know, I drove up and thought, hey, they have so many different names. Are we sure we bought the right one?
I don't know that. You didn't buy it from me. You didn't buy it at my place.
We bought the right one. Will you let me take it for a ride? Oh, good. That was the longest trip from Rockwall to Warsaw.
No, probably not.
There have been longer ones from Katowice.
From Katowice.
I stuck the badge on crooked, didn't I? Da-da-da! Hey, I really feel great pleasure, you know. If there are tools, that means it's new, not stolen yet. There's no space for a cloth.
Well, maybe a cloth would fit here, but I think this part gets hot.
Exactly.
All right.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Hope it rides well.
I hope I actually get to ride it at all. Let the engine warm up properly. The important thing is the shoes fit. The package is actually nice.
Yeah. They don't smell like cheap Chinese stuff, just normal.
Now pay attention.
Look, it's branded.
Yes.
Quick, the key there.
Tuning is absolutely essential.
First tuning. We will certainly take it off because it will inevitably fall down. What kind of engine is that? Is it tick? Inline and whatnot.
Now it will be more sporty. You'll corner better. He won't sit like that. He won't spit you out in front.
Quality. Andresi.
Maintaining this will be.
Did you spit?
Nope. No, it can't be clean. It all suits Mariusz, doesn't it? Mariusz, are your shoes worth a million zlotys? Does this plastic one fit perfectly over the gear shift?
Come over here, look closely. Have you ever seen exactly how you purchase shoes?
That's how you buy shoes.
Not only can you see I've got a hole in my sneaker, but it also matches the gear shift.
I have no idea what more can be said about this motorcycle. These images say it all.
Well, you just have to ride it, caress it, and enjoy it.
And we'll see what happens to it after a few months. Will it still be this beautiful? Not that I'm saying something will happen to it, but will it all stay this beautiful?
I rode a test bike that had already been with the importer for 2 years. And apart from a scratched exhaust, which someone had scratched, the motorcycle looked exactly like the one in the showroom.
So you still have to modify its suspension, brakes, tuning, expenses.